Y'all, I am literally shook. Like, do y'all see my curls? Popping. I'm gonna show you how to get your curls popping too.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
First off, I gotta shout out Sally Beauty for partnering with me for this video. And y'all, I got some of my favorite hair products. So we're gonna play around and see what cute curly hairstyle we can come up with. Of course, we are starting off with freshly washed hair. So my hair is a little bit damp and I'm taking this multi-purpose edge comb using the rat tail end to part off the front portion of my hair. So I'm gonna do like a wash and go style in the back. So I'm taking this shampoo brush to detangle my hair, and then of course we gotta add some products. So I'm taking the curl enhancing smoothie to add onto my curls, and this is gonna be like my base product I'm using. Taking my dimming brush and making sure that product is smooth through my hair. Now I do like to add a mousse on top of my styling product because I just feel like it adds to my curl definition and adds an extra layer of hold. All of the products that I'm using today will be linked in the description box below, but child, they are also available at your local Sally Beauty, so make sure you head on over there to shop these products. And speaking of Sally Beauty, it is their 60th year anniversary. Pause, look at these curls. Yeah, courtesy of Sally Beauty, but I am so excited to help celebrate their 60-year anniversary. I don't know about y'all, but Sally Beauty has literally been a staple and a childhood favorite of mine. Like, some of my core memories of my natural hair journey growing up includes Sally Beauty. Like my mom taking me there, buying these nostalgic products like the curl enhancing smoothie, getting all the rubber bands and all the different things to help style my hair. And doing this hairstyle just reminded me of how fun doing your hair can be and how you can, express yourself through how you style your natural hair. So I wanted to do something fun in the front of my hair, and I did like this rubber band grid type style in the front, and then curled the ends of my hair with those products that I was already using today. And of course I had to bust out my Eco Style gel. Now if you know, Eco Style is that girl. So I used it on my edges today in conjunction with the Mousse Def. So far we are looking really cute. And now I'm taking my Ion Luxe Turbosonic hair dryer. This hair dryer is absolutely amazing. When I tell you, it dried my hair so quickly. It has a diffuser attachment, which I use for the back of my hair, and then I also use the concentrator attachment to stretch my hair because I like to stretch out my curls a little bit so I can get a little bit more of an elongated look. And of course I love volume, so I use this pick to pick out my hair. Alright y'all, I think this turned out really cute. Like, my curls are popping, the edges are laid. Okay, I did just some light on the edges, and then yeah, between using this product combo, which was pretty lightweight, in conjunction with my Ion diffuser, y'all, my hair literally dried in less than 15 minutes. Yes, love that. Now I'm about to go and do my makeup real quick, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Okay y'all, so I finished my makeup and this is the finished look. I think my hair looks so cute. I feel like the detail in the front adds just a little bit of character to my normal wash and go. But y'all, look at the curls. Do y'all see this? And my hair feels really lightweight. I've been loving mousses and creams for my wash and goes lately. I thought I'd never say that as a gel girly, but I will say, especially in the summertime, I love a quick drying hairstyle and something that is just lightweight and bouncy. Like, I feel like my hair has a whole bunch of body, a whole bunch of movement, and it just looks so cute. Like I said, Sally Beauty is celebrating 60 years, okay? So happy anniversary. So I wanted to take you guys a little bit down memory lane about the products that I used today. So first up, we have the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. At the beginning of my natural hair journey, y'all, this product was the OG. Like, everyone was reviewing this product. Like, this was back before like natural hair tutorials was like really popping. Like right at the beginning, like this was the product that everyone was raving about, and it does a really good job of hydrating your curls but also defining them. So I really love using it to style the wash and go portion of my hair. Now, this is a recent fave that I've been loving. I love any foam mousse the dude puts out. Y'all already know I love the crazy sexy curl, but this mousse def is also a really good foam mousse. So I like adding this on top of my creams when I do wash and goes. Not only does it add an extra layer of hold, but it also adds to my curl definition, which we love that. On to the Eco Style Gel. Y'all, if you have not tried her, I'm not judging you, but you should, because she comes in many shapes, sizes, and colors. And this is like the OG gel, like the baseline. If you don't got nothing, if you went on vacation and you don't got no hair products and you go to Sally Beauty, get you some Eco Style Gel. Like, you're gonna be able to do so many styles with this, whether it be a wash and go, a slick back, your edges. Like, Eco is just that girl. So this is just nostalgic for me, because all of my wash and goes at the beginning of my natural hair journey all included Eco Style Gel. It wasn't about what gel gonna work with my leave-in. It was about what leave-in gonna work with my gel, okay? Last but not least is the Mielle Strengthening Oil. Y'all, I have been going through it with my hair. And as every naturalista in their natural hair journey, you already know you're gonna have some ups and downs. So recently, I've been trying to focus on strengthening my hair and, you know, hair growth. Hello. And this product right here has literally been that girl for me. I've gone through several bottles of this and I love applying it to my scalp, especially after I style my hair and in my parts, because this is going to encourage stronger and healthier hair. Now, of course, any style you do, you got to have your styling tools, and these are literally my beginner styling tools for any person who is starting their natural hair journey. If you do not have these three products, I don't know what you're doing, because one, a Denman brush, literally viral, that girl for detangling curly hair. On top of that, you always gonna need your pick. If you like volume or not, you still gotta do a little fluff here and there. Like, I don't know that many girls who have curly hair who don't use a pick. Okay, so boom, you got your pick, you got your Denman brush when you're styling, but you need your edge brush. To know me is to know that I love to swoop my edges, and this edge brush is perfect. Like, this edge brush is actually a lot better than a lot of my other edge brushes that I have. I really like this because not only do they have like fairly firm bristles, but comb is great for designing your edges, as well as the rat tail comb. Like, I love this and used it to part my hair, and I think it worked very efficiently. So honestly, as I'm thinking about it, this whole little assortment of products that I use today and tools could literally be a natural hair beginner kit, okay? Because you literally have pretty much everything you need. Oh, and the shampoo brush, y'all. This shampoo brush, by far the best one that I own, because the bristles are a lot longer than my other shampoo brushes that we ain't gonna talk about. 10 out of 10. So boom. Honestly, at this point, Sally, we need this in a bundle, because this is literally giving like natural hair journey starter kit. Like, immediate yes. What we missing is some shampoo and conditioner, to be honest. Think about it. All right, time is ticking and I need to get out the door. So this is the finished look. I'm about to go out with the girls and have an amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute natural hairstyle. I'm so excited, and congratulations again on your 60-year anniversary. Like, that's so exciting. I'm about to celebrate with y'all and have some dinner with my girls. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. And in the meantime, go ahead and check out my recent uploads here. As always, be kind, be true, and be you to full. Bye!